Hey, this is Jeremy Lin, and this is a zigzag drill. You can just start on one side of the key. You can go out to the free throw line. Once you hit the free throw line, you can plant, come towards half court, plant. So usually you'll get 4 change of directions in one trip down the court. Try to go at a 45-degree angle, just as you're going up the court, trying to get by your defender. If I can really go one way, stop on a dime, and then just go the other way, that's gonna make my move more effective. Go up and down 10 times. You can really mix this up as well. Whenever we do drills, we just try to make it as game-like as possible. And that's when practice really counts and when most of it is going to apply to your basketball game.